Doctors are one of the most compassionate human beings on the planet. They are the frontline workers, and we have all seen the example of COVID-19 and how they have fought. I gave 2 attempts for NEET. I took one drop, and it was hard luck that I could not get a government college. I remember from a very long time, people from India have been going to Russia to pursue their medical education. It has been the hub for the medical education. As Nelson Mandela quoted, education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world, and it is like the strongest thing in the world. Like, it can help you grow as a human being so much. So I think being able to study abroad and getting this opportunity, I'm really grateful to Almighty and God as well for giving me this opportunity. Hello everyone, my name is Sabyasachi Sharma and I'm going to Trey State Medical University. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu is sort of an educational hub and it is known as the city of temples. I think people there are really willing to go toward professional lines such as medical engineering or may it be CLAT or other exams. I chose to pursue medicine and pursue my career in it in the near future. And I'd be going to Trey State Medical University. My experience throughout the education through the admission process was really smooth. They helped me figure out everything. They helped me do all the documentation, all the necessary things that were required. I want to become doctor because I feel that being able to help is the best thing as which we can do as human beings to each other. And I think doctors are one of the most compassionate human beings on the planet. They are the frontline workers, and we have all seen the example of COVID-19 and how they have fought for the whole country. They were endlessly serving to the nation day and night. That's why I chose this profession, because it is a very noble profession. I'd tell my juniors to study hard and to work hard. And even if they could not make it in the government colleges, it's not an issue. The broad countries and the broad medical education system is really well advanced and they can teach you the same things. In fact, maybe better things than that. You will get an international exposure on that level. And plus it will be you'll gain a lot of experience, and it is really important. At the end of the day, what really matters in your life is your experience, and you will learn many things. You will interact with different types of students, and it will all help you grow as a human being. And at the end of the day, you'll be getting your degree and you would be a doctor, which is your eventually the end goal. India and Russia allies are really very strong. As we have seen, Modi and Putin, they have a really good friendship, and both the nations are really, they blend with each other, and they have been there for each other through wars and everything. I think due to that strong alliance, it was a really positive point. And as far as I remember, from a very long time, people from India have been going to Russia to pursue their medical education. It has been the hub for the medical education since very long time. So I think it was a very reliable and trustworthy place to go to and to study medicine there. Firstly, Tver is a very beautiful city. And another thing, I did had a couple of my friends over there who were already pursuing their education from there, so they could just help me figure out the things really easily. And another thing was that the exposure there, the teachers, the faculty, everything is very good. So it would be eventually very beneficial in my medical journey. My father suggested me that medicine is a long journey and you have to do your MBBS, then PG, and if you want to be a surgeon, then super specialty and rest of the degrees. So if you will spend one more year in giving the same exam, and if you cannot make it, and eventually you have to again go for abroad, so it is a much better idea to not waste your years over there and to utilize it in your rest of the journey, so that it could be covered a little earlier. So I think that's why I chose to go there. I feel excited and nervous at the same time, but eventually it's a new journey and I think it's a fresh start. So we should start it with the good and positive note. Thank you to Mama and Papa for helping me pursue my dreams. and for always encouraging me, motivating me, and telling me to believe in myself and the power of my dreams. And education, as my father always says, that education is, as Nelson Mandela quoted, education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. And it is like the strongest thing in the world. Like, it can help you grow as a human being so much. So I think being able to study abroad and getting this opportunity, I'm really grateful to Almighty and God as well for giving me this opportunity. So thank you to my parents, my sister, and my family. Yeah, I'd also like to thank my teachers and my other family members, my chachu chachi. They both are doctors and they work really very hard. They have been the reason why I felt so driven to go towards the medical line. I've seen them working hard and, getting so much respect in the society and being able to help so many people. So I'd like to thank everyone who has helped me get into this journey and who is even helping me right now.